dear students, this is Vimal Pradeep, teacher from Rainy Blooms Lekel International CBSE School, Tirukallur. Last session we have seen about algebraic expression and identities. The same topic we are going to continue. Already we have done many different sums. In this session also we are going to see about addition, subtraction, multiplication of expressions. We will go to session. Children, so you have to very clear about the symbols, negative symbols and positive symbols. So when we are adding or subtracting any positive or negative symbols, negative terms, we have to see that like terms. Like terms refers to same variables. When we are adding or subtracting same variable terms, which one is a bigger? Negative term is bigger means the answer will be negative. Positive term bigger means answer will be positive. So likewise we have to very clear about the symbols and operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You must understand about multiplication of operators, that is addition and subtraction. When we are multiplying any two positive terms, that is a plus into plus, the answer will be plus. When we are multiplying negative terms, minus into minus, the answer will be plus. And then plus into minus, answer is minus. Also minus into plus, answer is minus. So you have to check the same operators when we are multiplying, that is a plus into plus is equal to plus. The same minus into minus is equal to plus. Alternative symbols, plus into minus is equal to minus, and also minus into plus equal to minus. Okay, let us continue with the exercise 9.3. Here, carry out the multiplication. So already we have done many sums with multiplication. Monomials, already have done monomials. Now we have to go with the trinomial and polynomials. Many terms can be multiplied with the one or two terms. Clear? They have given first sum 4p and q plus r. 4p and q plus r. So you can take first term, they have given 4p multiplication. You can write with the bracket. So first of all you have to understand multiplication and bracket, both are same meaning. If you put the bracket means it is the meaning of multiplication. So first sum I can put the symbol multiplication. Hereafter no need to put multiplication symbol, you can put only brackets. See here, first term, this is a monomial, can be multiplied the first term 4p into q. What is that? 4pq. 4p into q, 4pq. Plus the operator given plus, here also plus, so plus into plus plus. Next 4p into r, 4pr, that's all. Here 4pq and 4pr are unlike terms, so we don't want to do any other further operation, we just leave it. This is the final answer. Next one, AB. AB is the monomial term given first. You can put the bracket. Then A minus B. A minus B. This AB, A into B, AB can multiply the first term A. So here A is the, here also A, here also A is there. You can multiply, once you multiply A into A square. And one B is there. A square B. Minus, here plus is there, minus, plus into minus, minus. So AB into B. So here B is there, here also B is there. You can multiply and put the square. AB, 1A, B into B, B square. See here, this is also unlike terms, both the answers. A square, here B square. So you can write the final answer, A square B minus AB square. Second exercise, they have given with trinomial and one monomial we are going to multiply. You can write first expression x plus y minus 5 bracket means multiplication into 5xy. 5xy. See here first term is x. This term can be multiplied the monomial term. So x into 5xy, 5x square y. See here, this x can multiply with another x into x square. Remaining numbers and terms, variables you can write the same. X into x square. So remaining 5 and xy. So the answer is 5xy, 5x square y. Now second term y into 5xy. Plus into plus, this term is plus, given plus, this also plus, plus into plus, plus y into 5xy, 5xy square. The power will be increased with the only y. Okay, remaining next one. See here, this term is minus term, this is a plus term, plus into minus, minus. So you can multiply only the numbers. So here only the constant is there. The constant number can multiply with the number. 5 into 5, 25. Minus 25, the remaining variables x and y. That's all. So the final answer is, see here everything is in unlike terms. Here the power is x square, here the power is y square, here the power is 1 each one. So the answer is 5x square y plus 5x y square minus 25xy. See, the third sum is find the product. Here given a squared into 2a power 22 into 4a power 26. So you can multiply all the three terms. So here the coefficient is 1 because a squared, a order square coefficient is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. You can multiply only the constant first. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8. Okay. What is the variable? Everything is same variable a. 8a. Now you can multiply the variables. When we are multiplying the variables, the power will be increased. A squared into a power 22 into a power 26. Power increased means you can add the powers. So is 2 plus 22, 24. 24 plus 26, 50. A power 50. That's all. Here the third the second sum. 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Here for our convenience you can write separately with the constants and the variables. What is the variable here? X y into x square y square. So now when we are multiplying the fraction numbers, the numerator and denominator can be cancelled with the same table. See here, this numerator and this denominator comes in the same table. You can cancel it. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Here 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is remaining here? 1 by 1. Here minus 3 by 5. So you can multiply now. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 5, 5. So here one minus symbol is there. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 3 by 5 and xy into x squared y squared. So the x can multiply x, 1x and multiply into x squared, x power 3, x cube, and y into y squared, y cube. So whenever we are multiplying these different terms, you have to be very aware of it with the operators and also variables. Thank you. The methods are same. You don't get any confusion. Whatever I am telling, you can follow the instructions. You can be very aware of it with the operators, so plus and minus symbols, and also like terms and unlike terms. So, thank you.